So all you do is just pull this off. You're gonna press this so it can come in, and the same thing for this well. You see that tap right there? The tap comes in. Here, I'm gonna stick your finger in there and pry out. And let that just kind of dangle in like that. At the same time with like part of my palm here, I'm holding it in place. You let it rock forward, everything you have in there is gonna slam out. What you wanna look for, these little tabs. There's one here. Generally when you take this one off, on the other side, the other one's just a hook on, just like that. It's gonna hook in like that. All you do is you press it here and it clicks. So these are fairly easy. This is a bit overdue. I know it doesn't look like much, but definitely these higher, like darker spots here. Put this down. These darker spots here are straight mold, and this is everything that's coming in. And it's gonna eventually, if you just don't replace it, it's gonna get into the fans, and the fan's gonna clog up, or your fan's not gonna be breathing, and you're gonna have to go into a major repair. Bottom line, you just want to replace your cabin air filter, which is going to avoid you a major repair, which is a couple hours of work, and definitely is well worth it. Found these cabin air filters, and they're by Foma cabin air filters. It comes 2 of them, and they're fairly cheap. So I bought the set of 2 because I'll be doing this again some other day. Airflow. Air is not going to be coming in. Air is going to be going out. Again, if you don't know the airflow, when you put this back in, it'll show you your airflow is going up. And they make it easy for you. You can't put this in backwards. And it's got a tab here. Also has 2 tabs here. Line up to the bottom, so can't mess that up. Air's going to be going up. Airflow, you want it facing up. Once you have your arrow lined up, just like that, going up, same thing, you just want to push it in, fall in place, just like that, and that's how it's going to sit. Next thing you want this tap on the other side. Press on it, push on it, and it's a snug fit. These 2 tabs, they ride up until they click, and then they click in, just like that. This plastic is pretty sturdy, but it flexes just enough to give you that clearance. Same thing on the other side. What I'm gonna do is press in on it, just like that. Sometimes this guy will tuck in and just stretch it out. At the same time, you want to push up on your glove box, have it in there. It rides really smooth, but it sounds slower. That's the main purpose of this, so it doesn't slam forward. You'll open it, hit it, voila. Generally, I would go for an OEM cabin air filter, but this is 2 air filters for $14.85. Now, if you're on a budget, this is the way to do it, and it'll help you avoid a major repair.